Hello viewers, how are you? Hope everyone is well. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to type alphabet serial number in Microsoft Excel. That means alphabet numbering in Microsoft Excel automatically. If you look this Microsoft Excel worksheet, when I'm typing the name column, any name, like if I type any name like Thomas, you can see our alphabet letters numbering coming automatically. Now type Shakira. So how to do it in Microsoft Excel? In this case, delete our full data. Click where needed, this serial number B3 cell, and press equal to sign and type if function. Now you can see if function syntax here. Logical test. Logical test is if this name, this cell will be empty, equal to empty, that means double quotation 2 times, then type comma, and then if value if true, this condition if will be true, then what do you want? That means when our name cell is empty, it will be empty. Okay, so where everyone know Microsoft Excel empty means double quotation 2 times. Okay, then again comma, if this condition, this logic is not empty, what do you want it? In this purpose, we type char this function and again row row function and type a65, then bracket close 3 times. Okay, now hit the enter button and drag it down. Okay, now you can type Tanvir, Shakira, Thomas, Daniel. So how was the video? If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.